Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop email notification from Instagram. Just open your Instagram here, right? On the bottom right side corner you will see the profile icon. Just click over there. On the top right you will see the three lines. Just click on this. Go to the setting and privacy. Once you go to the setting and privacy, here you will find the notification, right? If you want to pause everything, just click on pause here, and for the certain time, if you select 8 hours, then for the 8 hours you will not get any single notification. But if you want to turn off your email notification, just scroll to the bottom, go to the email notification, and here you can just turn off everything, whatever functions you just want to turn off, right? So this is how you can do it. If you found this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and also make sure to comment if you really found this video useful. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Take care.